Dear students, today we are going to learn about paragraph writing. Before starting, you should know that what is a paragraph. A paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and are all related to a single topic. Remember, it is related to a single topic. Moving further, children, you should know the difference between a paragraph and an essay. A paragraph is centered to only one idea, while an essay explores several ideas. A paragraph is much more shorter, while an essay consists of many paragraphs. The word limit for paragraph is somewhere around 100 to 200 words, while for an essay it can go up to 300 to 500 words. Now children, let us talk about the parts of a paragraph. Here we have found an interesting way to explain you the parts of a paragraph. I know that you all love to eat a burger. So here we have compared paragraph writing to a burger. See, if your food looks tempting, if it looks tasty, then only you have an urge to eat it. So similarly, the topmost part of the bun has been addressed as topic sentence. If your introduction is good, then the reader will have an urge to read your paragraph. So your introduction should be very good, it should be impressive. After the introductory sentence or the topic sentence comes your supporting sentences. See here in the picture, we have added a lot of flavors to our burger. We have added a patty, and then we have added different vegetables, we have added cheese, everything that is tempting and makes a burger tastier. So similarly, all your supporting details, your supporting sentences should be related to the topic, and it should add to the beauty of your paragraph. In the end, you have to write down a conclusion sentence or your closing sentence. Now it should be as strong as your introductory sentence. For example, if I give you a topic, festivals, you have to write down a paragraph on festivals. You write down everything about Deepavali, and in the end you write down my favorite festival is Holi. That is wrong. You have written everything about Diwali, and in the end you are saying your favorite festival is Holi. It is not supporting your paragraph. So it should be as strong as your introductory sentence, and it should support whatever you have mentioned in your paragraph, your introduction and your supporting details. Here I want to share one more picture with you children. Just take a look. Introduction or topic sentence. It consists of one or two sentences. You should begin with a strong hook, and you should tell your main idea in your introduction or your topic sentence. These are few tips for you all. Now the supporting details, it should include text, evidence and examples that support your main idea. You can use transitions between details to make your writing flow. And in the end, for your conclusion or closing sentence, you should sum up your idea. This can also help transition to the next paragraph. But in your class, we are limiting to only one paragraph. So your conclusion should be as strong as your introduction. I hope you understood it. Still, if you find any problem anywhere, I'm always there for you. You can always contact me. Thank you.